So this morning, these two birds just came out of nowhere. They are a couple, and they just decided that, hey, they're going to be chilling with me today. But it is so amazing that, to me, it's just confirming a lot of things that I've been praying for. Look at this. They just flew here, and then I went and I saw some dog food, and I kind of grinded it up and stretched my hands to them, and they came. God is just so wonderful. I'm here at work. So, yeah, look. Wow. Yo, me just, it really amazes me. Really amazes me. First this has ever happened.